Yo, so tell me how our manager has scheduled French cooking lessons for the whole team. Today's my day and a few other guys. To be honest, I found out like earlier in the week. Terry's full of surprises, as you guys may know. And it's about 9:25 here now. He's gonna be here in like 5 minutes. So I decided to make a quick video so you guys can see. We're gonna jump straight into it because I'm not really that prepared. So you guys stay tuned.
This is Gordon Ramsay, okay.
Aujourd'hui, voilà. Aujourd'hui, on va vous préparer un petit truc. Dîner presque parfait.
Joe, can we get English, please? It'd be nice.
It would be nice. Fuck you with your English, man.
Oh, I'm putting that in there. I'm putting that in there.
We'll cook, okay? It's Gordon Ramsay.
Hold. Salut.
Hello?
No problem. Oh, salut. Bonjour. Enchanté.
Yeah, it's crazy, huh?
Ok.
Yeah, that's tea.
You put the bread on it.
Of course he did.
Attends, est-ce que je peux me mettre en sur les falaises? Allez, super.
Thierry, too much.
D'accord.
I want a goddamn picture with that.
You don't understand that.
Ah, yeah, man.
All right.
And the caption will be, I love cooking people. You know?
I like cooking people.
Ready.
Chef Kennedy with the pot.
Chef Kennedy.
Chef Kennedy.
Or chef if you prefer. Each of you's got a working station, so you can place you for just front of a board. Okay. And then I will explain you all the menu. We'll begin with doing the dessert. On va commencer par faire le dessert.
We start with dessert, okay.
Déjà avec un aigle. Just press, break it, and keep the scale in your two hands.
Okay. I'm saying, I'm a pro out here, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, so when it's very thin,
There's gonna be a little too frothy, bro.
Too frothy.
Might be a little too frothy.
He's not done.
No.
Mac.
Oh, he said add it after later? Yeah.
You see that? It's magic. It's magic. You do like this, after this. You mix. C'est texture. You see?
Yeah. Bro, you proud of that, right? You're proud of that.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, the speaker, so we
Presentation.
Yeah. All right, Ty.
Oh, catch the braids, catch the braids.
Catch the braids. Okay. See you, Ty.
No,
so green garlic, it's in France we call it bear garlic. Donc on va juste le positionner au centre. We put in the middle of the breast. And then wait. Yeah, remove the stem, just keep the lid. And then we can put some salt. The salt just for you.
You gotta get it out.
Regardez la couleur du pays, plus. Non, du coup, j'ai loupé.
Put your arm in it, man.
La moitié, c'est quoi ça?
Voilà. Donc ça c'est le black parts, the brown skin, burnt skin.
Intéressant. You saw the skills, man.
And you put this on top of the garlic.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, I know.
Easy peasy. Breast squeezy. Yeah. Make the funk here.
Rolling.
Yeah.
More.
So before closing.
Let's see. Oh, no, he didn't tell you.
Fake. Mine looks amazing now.
It looks good. You're right.
No, it looks amazing.
Okay, so now for the cooking, directly in the oven, 150 degrees for 20-25 minutes.
B-roll real fast. Okay.
So,
Adi, you did both yours?
Yeah.
30 seconds in hot water and then directly in the cold water.
Okay. Wait, you
Fuck out of here, I finished first, man.
Get out of here, man.
You should have been
Okay,
there.
you can start with the side 2. On
Ouais,
peut démarrer
ouais,
aussi de
ouais.
côté, on peut faire la même chose.
Man. A little contrast back.
That's overcooking now. Haha, you missed it.
10 seconds,
Yeah,
10
that's
seconds.
5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay.
You guys fucked up your dish.
Oh, shit.
It's over now. Ha, you
No,
fucked
no.
it.
Buzzer. Yeah, man.
Over.
Un, dos, tres,
Yeah, it smells like seafood.
cuatro, cinco. Cinco de
It's
mayo.
over, man. That's down for you, man.
It's salt.
Yeah, that's down. That's down.
Shut up,
That's
man.
down, man. That's too much. Overcooking.
I overcooked it. I overcooked it. That's funny.
And when it's done, I rinse it with lots of water to remove the starch.
Okay.
It become more easier to digest. And then we add shallots, carrots, and asparaguses.
Use it at fries or use. I want to use it at fries.
Also, we all the same
Some
salt.
salt
Okay.
to help the vegetables to remove their water. Donc un peu de sel, ça permet de faire sortir l'eau des légumes.
Ooh.
You ever made risotto?
Okay, 2 spoons of quinoa.
Okay.
Told you just using the microwave.
And then we slow the fire.
Alright, don't finish pound. Oh, we added the half asparagus in here too.
Supposed
Yes.
to, so that it was salt.
Bro.
So we have 2 spoons of cooked quinoa. And then we need to stir and slow the fire.
Okay. You added it late. I was watching. Nice try. Get the fuck out of here, boy.
I add it at the end.
Yeah, okay.
Et mixer.
Okay.
Okay, this way. And then put all the slices of zucchini, but just before make a nice looking presentation. And to finish, the box is a little bit small. Take all the slices and put
Okay. Tuck.
directly in the box. It's a carpaccio, so it needs to be very flat.
Flat. Okay.
And all zucchinis need to touch this seasoning. When it's done like this, we can put another spoon of seasoning.
Shit, that looks good.
Blessed, man.
Right, looks blessed.
You know your video, right? Jay, you gotta make that video. Take the pepper, man. Don't take that out. Don't edit that.